Is 375 gold pawnable? The answer coming up. You might be wondering, can you pawn 375 gold or use it as collateral? Are there any pros and cons to doing that? Now, diving into pawn shop worlds can feel a bit overwhelming. There's a lot to know about how they work, especially when it comes to something as precious as gold. But hey, that's what we're here for, to help you navigate it all. So without further ado, let's get started. A quick note for independent investors. If you've been investing in the stock market, you know that high-quality information is everything. That's why we've partnered up with Nicoya Research, one of the fastest-growing newsletters that specializes in precious metal stocks, dividend investments, technology stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Its founder, Jason Hamlin, is a market research professional with over 15 years of experience in brand management, analytics, and business consulting for Fortune 500 companies. And since 2009, he consistently outperformed the market with an average annual return of 50.2%. If you want to get access to the best financial research available, then sign up today and use the code GSC20 to receive 20% off any subscription plan you choose. Check the link in the description box below for further details. Now, back to the topic at hand. Characteristics of 375 gold. First things first, what does 375 on gold mean? What is 375 gold in carat? The 375 gold is labeled as 9 carats, and it means that it's 37.5% pure gold, with the remaining 62.5% composed of alloy metals. Because it's so durable and affordable, this one has carved a niche for itself, particularly in the jewelry industry. Jewelers often opt for this carat, combining the elegance with the practicality of added strength. From rings to bracelets, it offers a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. Of course, the yellow color and shade is more popular as it's more thought of gold. Now, will pawn shops accept the 375 gold? They might, as it still holds value. However, understanding its characteristics is important when talking about its pawnability. The combination of purity and alloy content not only influences its visual appeal, but also determines its market value. So that's what we'll talk about in the next sections. Factors influencing pawnability. Look, even though 375 gold is pawnable, not all pawn shops accept it right off the bat. Some factors influence their acceptance, so be sure to familiarize yourself with them before you head down to the nearest store. After all, you want to get the best deal out of your yellow metal. Carat and purity. Okay, so first up, carats. Caratage is the measurement of purity of gold alloyed with other metals. The higher the carat, the more pure it is. While 37 gold may not wear the crown of high purity, its 9 carats still make a substantial statement. Pawnbrokers work out its value by weighing the metal's carat alongside its alloy composition and will give you the price. Current market value. We all know that the yellow precious metal dances to the tune of market whims. Gold prices go up and gold prices go down. Pawn shops keenly monitor its current market value, adjusting their assessments accordingly. Keep in mind, they'll give you less than the full market value. That's the loan-to-value LTV ratio thing, which is like their safety net. Pawn shop policies and regulations. Pawn shops, like any seasoned player in the financial game, operate within a set of rules and regulations. Some places may specialize in higher purity gold, while others embrace the versatility of the market, including the lower purity 375 one. Our best suggestion is to confirm the interest rates and the rules of several pawn shops in your area before finding the one that works for you. Can you pawn 375 gold? Now, can you pawn the 37 gold piece collecting dust in your jewelry box? The answer is a yes, but with a caveat. The pawnability of this type of metal hinges on a delicate interplay of factors. You see, pawn shops, in their essence, are in the business of providing short-term loans in exchange for collateral, and gold, regardless of its carat, is a sought-after commodity. In the case of 375 gold, the key lies in managing expectations. While not as pure as higher carat golds, this one brings its own set of advantages to the pawn shop table. The pros and cons of pawning 375 gold. Before you decide to pawn it, you need to know whether it would be a good idea to do so or not. Here are its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: affordability. An undeniable advantage is its cost effectiveness. For those in need of quick cash without parting with high value items, 375 Gold presents a viable solution. Market versatility. The diverse demand for 375 Gold in jewelry makes it a versatile asset in the pawnshop market. Pawnbrokers catering to a broad clientele often appreciate its appeal and accessibility. You still own it. Think of pawning like letting a friend borrow your favorite jacket. You're lending it out for a bit, but with the intention to get it back. Pay up the loan with its little extras, interest, and fees, and your gold is right back with you. Disadvantages: lower intrinsic value. While affordability is a plus, 375 Gold carries a lower intrinsic value compared to higher carat options. Therefore, the loan amount offered for pawning 9-carat pieces will likely be less substantial. You'll get paid more for pawning 585 Gold, which holds more value because it's almost 60% pure. We've also got a video on that too. Just scroll down and click on that link in the description box below at the end of this video. Limited market demand. Although 375 Gold's versatility is advantageous, market demand may not be as robust as for higher purity metal. This can impact the resale value and subsequently the loan amount offered by pawn shops. Appraisal challenges. Some pawnshops may specialize in higher purity gold, and their expertise in appraising 375 Gold might vary. So finding a reputable pawnshop with experience in valuing and accepting this type of precious metal is important for a fair transaction. Tips for pawning 375 Gold. Now that you know the nuances, let's equip you with some actionable suggestions to make sure you have a smooth and advantageous transaction. Stay informed. Keep tabs on current market trends. Regularly check the prices to have a realistic expectation of the value of your 375 Gold in the current economic climate. This will also help you negotiate more confidently. Compare offers. Don't settle for the first offer that comes your way. Visit multiple pawn shops to compare their evaluations. This ensures you get the best deal for your goods. Read reviews. Take the time to read reviews and testimonials about pawn shops in your area. A reputable establishment with positive customer feedback is more likely to offer fair deals. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to inquire about a pawn shop's experience in handling 375 Gold. Ask about their appraisal process and whether they have successfully dealt with similar items in the past. Be patient. Negotiation is an art, and patience is key. Don't be afraid to negotiate for a better offer. A little persistence can often lead to a more favorable deal. Hopefully, these tips help to navigate the pawn shop terrain with confidence. Is 375 Gold pawnable? The verdict. Look, while you have other options like selling it outright or looking into jewelry loans, if you want to pawn your 375 Gold, then you totally can. The good news is the 9-carat pieces offer a unique combination of affordability, market versatility, and inherent durability, so pawn shops are generally open to it. Pawning 375 Gold is possible, and it is a viable and pawnable option for individuals seeking temporary financial relief. You could walk out with cash in hand, no pesky credit check needed. Although, do remember about the interest and the terms of repayment and make sure to pay back, or else you lose your yellow precious metal for good. On the bright side, pawning does come with some nice perks like getting cash on the spot and the chance to get your goods back once you settle the loan. As always, remember to do your own due diligence and trust your instincts. After all, it is your gold and you want to make the best play possible. Let me know your thoughts and your experiences in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.